What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2011 Porsche Turbo S. We got this car from auto insurance auction with a front end collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1 and 2, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. I was buying the car, live auction, repairing, and all the way to this point. So in the last video, we repaired the car, everything got painted and ready to go. So in this video, we're gonna start putting the car back together, pretty much get it ready for wash, detail, and delivery. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. Just got the Porsche inside of the shop so we could start working on it. We're gonna start with the doors. I'm gonna install the door handle first, the mirror, seat belts, kind of put everything inside, and then we'll move on to the front and finish it off with the back. So that's the plan, and let's do this. So we're gonna start off with this door. I'm gonna install the molding first, then the mirror, and for the final, the door handle. Let's do this. So next we could start installing the seat belts, and we got our new color on the seat belts, and whoever guessed the red color, you guys are the lucky winners. Congrats. But yeah, we're gonna put red seat belts. It's gonna look real nice, something different. My customer wanted everything red inside. So next I gotta install the side window trims so I could wrap up the interior. And we end up getting new ones since the whole car is completely repainted and new looking. The other ones look a little rough. So we got new ones, so I'll install them right now. So right now I'm gonna start installing the side radiators, and we got everything brand new. Unfortunately, this one got damaged a little on the corner, and then this plastic piece is cracked as well. So we got everything new. New plastic pieces, new hoses, new condenser as well. So this one's been through a rough patch, so we got everything new. So we got CSF radiators and then brand new condensers. And those are a lot better than the factory CSF. Yep, that's the one. Oh yeah, they're really, really dirty. So now we screw this back onto this. Just finished with the right side, so now we gotta repeat the same thing for the left side. But came out really nice, I like it. It looks so aesthetically pleasing. I like this polished radiator sticking out and has better flow, so it should be cooling a lot better. So a new condenser, new radiator, new upper cover, and then I reused the fan. The fan is perfect, so this is what it looks like. So now we gotta repeat the same thing with this one. I'm gonna go wash this up, get all this dirt out of here so it's nice and clean. Okay, just washed everything. Now we're gonna put brand new rubber rings. I put both of the radiators together and we're ready to start installing them. Let's check it out. But look how cool they look. Came out really nice. I love this CSF radiators. And then we also got the center one and then another one. So we'll start installing them and then start pouring coolant. Should be fun. Let's do this. So I got everything in my bags, right side fender and the coolant. So I marked everything, so it's gonna be very easy to put everything back together. Major key, guys. When you tag and bag, things go very, very smooth. And then also, whenever I remove the coolant system, I always cover the hoses so no dirt or any stuff gets in there, and same with the AC line. Okay, now we could secure this. That's it, just installed the coolant system completely, so now we could start pouring our coolant and get the car warmed up, bled, and ready to go. So I got this machine, so we're gonna hook it up, do our vacuum, make sure there's no any kind of air in the system or any kind of leak, and we'll start pouring our coolant. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna hook this up. This ring in. All right, everything is hooked up. So right now we're gonna do vacuum, suck all the air out of there. We're gonna get it to 15. Okay, we got it up to 15. Now we're gonna let it chill for about 10-15 minutes. If we come back and it's still at 15, that means we have no leak anywhere in the system and we can start pouring. All right, let's mix this up 50-50. All right, and let's do another one. Okay, that's it for now. And then we'll repeat the same thing again. And now we'll open it, and here it goes. It went from 15 to 10. So yeah, we'll let it cycle the whole thing, and this bucket should be empty. All right, and we're at 0, so now we could start the car and let the car warm up, and we'll just keep an eye on the temperature, but for the most part we should be good. Okay, let's disconnect everything now. All right, let's put this cap back on, and then I'll show you guys another little trick. You guys see this little valve? What you do, you lift it up. And now if there's any kind of bubbles, which there shouldn't be any, but this will let the bubbles out. So now let's go and start this beast. Let me connect the battery real quick. So now we just look at the temperature. It's supposed to be in the middle. So we'll let the car run for a little bit and we'll see. Let's go check, make sure there's no leaks anywhere. Everything seems to be perfect. So we'll let this bad boy warm up and we'll go from there. All right, looks like we got plenty of oil in the system, so just right on top. So yeah, oil is good, everything is good. And here's the final piece to the puzzle. This is the bumper for Porsche Turbo S for the 997. We ordered a brand new bumper, but it was back order and they didn't know the ETA, so we gave up. So we just found a used one from OK Auto Parts, Nick. Thank you once again for the hookup. So they had a complete rear bumper and a headlight, so we bought that from them. So now we could paint the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the wing, and that's gonna be the wrap with the Porsche. So let's unpackage this and see exactly what we got. So here's the headlight. One of them were broken, and complete rear bumper in perfect condition. So now we could paint the rest of the parts and finish up with the car. Those are the final pieces. We're gonna paint the bumper and paint the lip, and then rear bumper, side bands, and then this is the top cover. And then Andre prepped the spoiler already. It should be good to go. So stay tuned for a YouTube video on his channel. The last final pieces, almost done. The final reveal that everybody's been waiting for. All the Porsche parts are painted, so now we can officially put it back together. I put the front end completely together, and the front bumper is painted as well, so we'll start piecing the front bumper and start installing. And bumper came out really nice. We also end up painting the front lip, so it looks like a more aggressive bumper. Plastic kind of looks a little cheap, but this way it looks a lot better. We'll start with the center grille. Just put the bumper together. Now we're ready to install it. Wow, it came out beautiful. And I also put some mesh in the back to protect the radiators, so no rocks flying in there. It looks really clean. I like it. We got some progress on the Porsche, so I'm officially finished with front end. Everything came out good. Check it out. Woo. That's a mean looking machine. Wow, I love it. So now we could move on to the back end. So I gotta install the wing, the rear bumper, and also exhaust. We got a Soul Performance exhaust, and this thing's gonna sound really nice. Big shout out to them for taking care of us, and I'll let you guys know how this exhaust sounds. We'll do a couple pulls later to see what this monster feels like. But yeah, let's start working on the wing. We'll put the wing together, and then for the final we'll wrap it up with the exhaust and the rear bumper. Okay, little change of plans. I'm gonna have to put the car on the lift. It's gonna be a lot easier. Instead of me trying to crawl underneath, I gotta actually remove the exhaust with the cats, so it's all the way up there. You guys see those bolts over there? So pretty much the exhaust got to come out with cats, and then we could install the new exhaust. So yeah, let's remove the car from quick jacks and we'll put her on the actual lift. All right, I got the Porsche up in the air on the lift. Gonna be a lot better to work on it. Don't get me wrong, quick jacks are good, but when it comes to like mechanical stuff, is a lot better. I like the quick jacks when you're taking cars apart and stuff like that. That's what they're called, quick jacks. But we need heavy duty, so I could remove all this stuff right now. Unfortunately, it doesn't come out, so I gotta remove some of this stuff to get to the bolt and remove the whole exhaust. There it goes. Ooh. Yeah, because if I snap the bolt, then I gotta call the dealer, order a new one, and list goes on. And if you snap the bolt, they usually sell replacement bolts at the dealer, but once again, it's gonna take some time. By the time you get it from the dealer, blah, blah, blah. And I'm trying to finish this tonight. Tonight is the night. It's 6 o'clock, and it was a very, very hot day. Sauna all day, sweating. The temperature is dropping. It's 6 o'clock, so I got 3 hours till 9 to finish this. So, let's do this. So I'm gonna try to remove one side. Very, very tough, my friends. On the video, it looks easy, but in real life, not easy. Oh. Almost out. Okay. So now I gotta do this side, kinda yank it out. Man, it's a hot day. Almost finished with 1 gallon. Just been sipping water. Okay, let's continue twisting it. And hopefully we could get this out. Come to Papa. And we got it. Broke a little sweat, but it's okay as long as we got it. Okay, let's squeeze this in there. Just installed the exhaust and looking pretty good. It should sound really nice as well. So now we could button everything up, reinstall the side intercooler, and then reinforcement, and then for the final rear bumper. Boom. Now we could flip this over and put the rest of the guts together. Okay, so this guy goes first, and then this guy goes right here, and this goes right here. But first I gotta connect the third brake light. Okay, then this goes here. Put the trunk together, so now we could install this top spoiler. So now to tighten the spoiler completely, I'll use a little key like this, and I put some tape so I don't scratch anything or hit. Tape will do a little protection for us. You gotta do it very, very carefully. And that's it. This side is done. Boom, and we're finished. Let's hear how the exhaust sounds. Man, that sounds really nice, man. I can't wait to take it for a test drive. Right now we're gonna do a quick alignment, and then we're gonna go on our first test drive and hear the exhaust. The car is all warmed up, and let's go do our first test drive with the exhaust and see how it sounds. Sounds pretty good already. This is how it sounds without any sport. We'll press Sport Plus. Now we'll do 0 to 60. Very, very fast car, especially for 2011. That was a beast back in the days. We're officially finished with the Porsche Turbo S. Man, it took a little longer than expected. Finally got rid of the airbag light and we're ready to go. Let's check it out. Look how beautiful it came out. So next what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this car and get a complete PPF for the front. We're gonna do fenders, hood, bumper, and then the rest of the vehicle we're gonna do a ceramic coat. So let's go drop off the car together and I'll show you the place and who's gonna be doing all that PPF work. So we just arrived to Essence Motorsport and they're gonna make this car look like brand new. It pretty much looks good, but it needs the final touch. So what we're gonna do a complete paint correction on the whole car. As you guys remember, this whole car has been repainted. Paint is good, everything is good, just needs a extra touch. And then we're gonna do PPF on the whole front end, fenders, hood, bumper, and then the rest of the car is gonna get done with ceramic coating. So this thing's gonna shine good and at the same time get to protect this beautiful paint. Wow, that looks like a brand new car. 2011 after a complete paint job and then paint correction, PPF. Man, that thing looks super nice. Customer is gonna be very, very happy. Once again, I want to give a big shout out to the fellas at Essence Motorsport for taking care of us, and man, could have been happier. Highly recommend if you guys need PPF, you want to wrap your car or tint your car or put ceramic coating, they do everything in-house. Reach out to them and they'll take care of you. And mention that you guys are from LNC and they'll give you guys a little discount. But super happy. So now we could head back to the shop. The only thing I gotta do is finalize the car. I gotta do lights and brakes, smog, and get the plates, and the car is ready to go. Right now we're gonna check if the car is ready for smog. Cause I gotta register this car. It's a California buyer. Almost. So I gotta put a little bit more miles on that. Cause everything has to be green. Okay, so that means reset this guy. And gotta put probably 50 miles, so time to go for a little cruise on this bad boy. So right now we're gonna go to our local DMV. I gotta do a VIN verification, so this way we could put some miles and then we'll see if it clears or not. If it doesn't, then we drive around a little bit longer. Sometimes you gotta drive for a couple of days for it to turn green. So we'll find out. I'll keep you guys in the loop. Man, this thing is quick. Very, very quick. Drives amazing. Plus I put the exhaust. Sounds very, very beefy now. Okay, we got one more left, converter, and we should be good. So we just pulled up to the local DMV and we gotta do a VIN verification. And what you do, you open your engine compartment, which in this case the back end, so they could see the emission sticker, and they're gonna check all the VIN numbers, make sure everything's same numbers, and they should give us a piece of paper that would take it to DMV that we passed VIN verification. And that's it, pretty much. They just need to check all those numbers and we should be good. That's it, we're all finished. I got the VIN verification piece of paper, so now we're all set with that. And then after this, I still gotta do the smog, then lights and brakes, and that's it as far as all the paperwork goes to register a salvage vehicle in California. We still gotta drive a little bit more. We still got a red light. Once that clears, we'll go do smog. After driving 141 miles, we're ready for the smog. Everything is good to go. Everything is green. All the monitors are working properly. I'm gonna turn the application to the DMV and they should give us the plates and the registration. do auction auto and tires. They do all my brakes and Smog and all that good stuff. So just got done with lights and brake and Smog, so that's it, we're finished. So now we're gonna turn this package into a dealer's DMV and get the car registered. Best feeling ever. Full tank, baby. 232 miles. So let's head back to the shop. We gotta rinse off the car, detail the interior, and the car is ready to go. Ready for delivery. I'm excited. We got Mr. Christian in the house. He's gonna do the final detail on the car, wash and detail the interior, and it's ready to go. Wow, I love that. Everything just drips down. That's what you call the car's been protected. And this is not soap, this is special sealer that he's putting just to rinse it off and ready to go. Wow, Porsche is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out beautiful, looks like a brand new car, like nothing ever happened. We also cleaned the interior, deep cleaning, looking very nice, and outside shining bright like a diamond. Came out beautiful. Sorry it took a little longer than I expected. Had some issues with the airbag light. I couldn't reset it. I rebuilt the module still didn't work, so we had to get a new one. And for the new one, dealer did not have one in stock, so I had to find one on eBay, and I was finally able to find one in Germany. That's why it took so long, but now we're officially finished and the car is ready to go, ready for delivery, and the moment we've all been waiting for, to find out who's the lucky winner for the airbag. I think it's been like 3 months or so, or maybe more, but hey, I couldn't deliver the car till it's 100% ready to go. So let's go inside of the office and find out who's the lucky winner. The day is finally here, and this is the airbag, and I'm gonna sign the airbag for you guys, so you guys have legit airbag from Dr. Vlad. Boom, my signature, and ready to go. See guys, I got a little collection as well. We got a Ferrari, Porsche, Tesla, another Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini. We need a McLaren and something else, Bugatti. So yeah, my collection going up. And the moment is finally here to find out who's the lucky winner for the airbag. Let's jump in and find out. Once again, we'll be using comment picker to find out who's the lucky winner. Copy paste, filter, hashtag Porsche. Bing, boom, boom. Let's do this. Okay, 6 plus 6 is 12. That's something new. And let's see how many comments we got. We got 83 comments, and let's find out who's the lucky winner. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner is Robin. You're the lucky winner. Congratulations, my friend. You're the lucky winner. Please send me an email with all your information to LNCMOTORSPORT@yahoo.com right here. and I'll mail out your airbag as soon as possible. And once again, I want to say a big thank you to every single one of you guys for supporting the channel, watching my videos. Man, you guys bunch of rock stars. Thank you very much. So who's ready for the next build? We're officially done with this one, and I got a couple of new builds coming up right after this. Man, I'm excited. So for the final, I want to do a quick rolling shot video for you guys to see how the car looks when it's driving. But it's a really nice car. There's only so many left of them. 2011 Porsche Turbo S, and the S is very special. So we're officially done with this build finally, and now enjoy the last rolling shots. And once again, thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!